Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Lollipop pen. This fun craft is perfect for personalizing your stationery or as a unique gift. You'll need just a few simple items, most of which you might already have around the house. We'll start by gathering all our materials, ensuring everything is ready for a smooth crafting experience. This project is straightforward and can be completed in about 20 to 30 minutes, making it a quick and rewarding activity. Now let's prepare our pen for transformation. Gently twist or pull apart your ballpoint pen to separate the ink cartridge and the writing tip from its outer barrel. We only need the functional parts for our new Lollipop pen. Make sure the ink cartridge is intact and ready to be inserted into its new, whimsical home. This step is crucial for ensuring your new pen writes perfectly. With your pen parts ready, it's time to bring our Lollipop pen to life. Take your empty Lollipop stick and apply a small, pea-sized amount of hot glue just inside the opening. Then, carefully insert the ink cartridge, with the writing tip facing out, into the stick. Hold it steady for about 30 seconds to allow the glue to firmly set. This creates a secure and functional writing instrument. Finally, let's add some personal flair to your new Lollipop pen. This is where your creativity truly shines. You can wrap the stick with colorful ribbons, attach small decorative charms, or even add a touch of glitter for extra sparkle. Remember to use a clear sealant over any glitter to prevent shedding. Make it uniquely yours, reflecting your style and personality. Enjoy your delightful, handcrafted Lollipop pen.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.